2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trip computer, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.